Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today. It's better than sitting around doing nothing. Meditate. I'm braver than I think. I don't have to suddenly slay every dragon in town, but I can definitely start the day off by looking one in the eye and giving it a slow motion nod. You will not stand in the shadow of another. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Action. Write down what you are grateful for every day. Express your gratitude to the people involved. They need to hear it too. The idea space. Simply because something is well known doesn't make it true. Simply because something is not known doesn't make it false. What's one thing you think is true that everyone else thinks? It's false. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. Today, be mindful of your words. Be mindful of who you listen to. Affirmations. Whatever room I walk into, I change the atmosphere in a positive way. I have the power to create change. Reflection. What is the thing you just can't let go? What needs to happen for you to release it forever? Alrighty, let's get some quotes out of here today. Go where you are seen. Go where you are wanted. Go where you are nurtured. Go where you are loved loudly rather than in whispers. I like that one. Remember, you are special. You can't be replaced. Your heart, your mind, your conversations, your care, it can't be replicated by anyone. And that is your power. The 3 L's rule. 1. Leave your past. 2. Love your present. 3. Look forward to your future. You can't change where you came from, but you can choose where you want to go from here. If you don't let your past die, it won't let you love. Move forward. You are seen. People are watching and listening and appreciating what you are doing. Your struggle will have its rewards. Keep grinding. Keep being authentic. Keep speaking your truth. Don't give up because you are not finished. Most people don't need more space. They need less stuff. And the last one today, the best way to find out what really need is to let go or get rid of what we don't. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.